Welcome to my kitchen. Oh. Okay, let's turn on the
Open the
stove.
door.
Open it.
Oh, I got the egg. It's on the score.
Okay.
Mommy,
Low
go
muna.
more.
Okay. What
Then
are you
the-
gonna cook, Fior?
I like egg.
You like egg. Okay.
Then I like stuff.
Okay. It's hot na. Okay. Let's put some oil. Oh, you put,
Nom nom nommy.
you put the oil. Okay.
So no.
Enough na. Okay, enough.
Then
Okay. Let's wait.
wait.
Let's wait. Para siya mag-init. Okay.
In it.
Okay.
Then
Is it
mama.
hot? Okay.
What's that?
Oh, mommy will crack the egg,
Okay.
Then you're the one who will cook. Okay.
Then I want to eat the egg. Sorry.
Maybe it's hot na. I don't know it's hot na. Maybe it's hot na. Okay, oh.
So what? It's so cold.
Don't touch the ano, because it's hot. Okay, mommy will
Coffee
crack the
time.
egg, Let's see. Oh my God.
Oh no, gosh,
Oh,
yeah, my egg.
Oh my God. Okay, let's crack the egg.
Oh no, gosh. Oh my gosh,
Okay.
yung egg.
Okay.
Wow, so pretty. Sa egg, so pretty.
So pretty. Okay.
And I want cook.
I'll get some salt. Wait.
Mama, mix, Amma.
Okay. What happened to the egg?
Hmm?
What happened to the egg?
Wala. Nothing.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing lang.
Nothing?
Eh.
Oh.
Oh, so,
Oh.
nalikot siya.
Okay. You sprinkle some salt.
Okay,
This
go
one.
na.
This one,
I want chicken
No.
then.
You put the salt. Ay. Okay, sige, okay. It's okay.
Then,
It's okay. Okay. It's okay. Then, with this, you
cook.
cook.
Cook the
Oh.
egg.
Sunny side up pala yung gusto natin gawin, but naging scramble. But it's okay. Okay, let's turn pa yung
Nagalaw yung egg
It's-
yung color. Why
Okay.
nagalaw?
nagalaw. Oh, yan. This one, oh.
Oh, what did it? Then wait.
Okay.
Then
Oh.
I shut.
It's bubbling hot.
Then I try to do this. Then I have shut.
Ay, no, wag na. This one na lang. This one na lang.
Okay.
Oh.
Ano?
Dito.
Sagot.
Sige.
Sagot. So,
Or kaya, this one, anak ko.
so, wet.
Yung left hand mo, hold this with your left hand. Okay, hold mo. Yan. Then, cook. Yan. Diba?
Oh, nagalaw yung egg.
Nagalaga yun.
You know, basta na.
It's cooking kasi. Okay.
Ano mo?
Mommy will hold na lang muna.
Okay, then I want it that.
Watch ka lang.
And
Okay.
this, this.
Ay, no, wag na yan, anak. Later yan.
Kunin ko na.
Tapos, you want to, to cook fried rice there.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Yes, see.
Oh.
I got sipon.
Oh, this one. Oh, you hold this.
Okay.
Hold mo muna.
So yummy.
You blow your nose.
Mommy, what is that?
Egg. But it's not cooked yet.
So yummy.
Oh, yeah. This one. Oh.
Then what is that?
If it's bubbling na, with bubbles na, you have to flip the egg.
Mami, kasi ako na hukas. Ayan na. Mami, saan yung kash-kash?
Ang kash-kash.
Ito, yung kuskusa.
Brush. After na nun, anak. Tapos na siya.
Pagka-eat na ako. Or eat tapos. Mami,
So,
don't sing.
it's so, ano ha? It's so Tagal.
So, tapal na.
Sige.
So good. Ay, nahulog pa. Ayan, nagalaw.
Nadalo siya.
Zero.
Ano is it?
Then this.
Non-stick pala to.
Mami, saan to? Wow, sang-in. Sisira, wala siya ganyan.
Oh.
Lalo-lalo
Okay.
daw.
Let's see. You have to flip mo siya. I-flip mo. 1, 2, 3. Ay! My gosh. 1, 2, 3. Go! Ayun. It takes time, ah. Okay. You have to wait to fully cook the egg, okay?
Okay, then
It's not it's not yet cooked. Oh. It's so tagal. It really takes time, no? But is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I want eat it.
Then you want to eat that. Okay. Where do you wanna put that after it's been cooked? Saan? Plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is YouTube. Mommy,
But it's cooking now. Yeah, yeah.
juice. Iya, iya, eh. Iya, iya, eh. So good.
What do you call this, Is this your kitchen?
Yes.
What's the name of the kitchen? It's
It's
Fiore's
your
Kitchen.
chicken. And what is it?
Next time.
Hello.
Next.
Hello.
Let's wait na lang, okay? Let's wait.
Okay.
Next time, you cut vegetables, okay?
Okay.
But, don't cut your fingers.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that's one.
Yay.
But you're gonna use this with mommy, okay?
Ako na.
Without mommy, you're not gonna use this kasi baka makat mo yung fingers mo.
Mami, ako na.
Oo,
Ayos din.
Okay. Oh, enough na.
Okay, then wait for the egg.
How's your egg? Oh, check mo. Check mo na yung egg mo.
No finish. No finish.
At finish pa?
No.
Not cook pa?
No cook.
Is it really matagal?
No.
Okay. Oh, here's na, oh. Oh,
Okay na.
let's see.
You see?
It's cooked na.
Cook
Oh.
the egg.
Wow.
Uy.
Uy! It's cooked na. A little more. Okay.
Mami, saan to?
Then after this,
No.
okay, I'll get some plate.
Okay, get sa pizza soul. squash balloon.
Okay.
Okay.
It's cooked na. Is it cooked na? Okay.
Then, what is that?
Sige nga, ikaw nga. Can you put this egg here? Sige. Oh, you hold this. Yan, you hold that. Then, okay. Put it there. Wow! Is it cooked na? It's cooked na. Yay! Come on, look guys.
Patay muna.
Oh, you say, look guys.
guys.
I cook egg.
I put egg.
Oh, turn off mo na. Turn off the stove.
Saan?
This one, pa left.
Dito?
Yes, pa left. This one, oh.
Not me. Ano? Pinuno.
Okay. Turn off
And
na. Okay,
eat
you
that.
say, bye guys.
Bye guys.